Hello friends, welcome to Claim Academy. Today we are going to discuss some more MCQs on Assistant Registrar IGNOU recruitment. So before starting, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and like and comment. So today we are going to see, I am going to thank you every subscriber. Now we are a family of more than 100. So I am thanking each and everyone. A heartfelt thank you to all. So thank you very much for motivating me. All the very best to all the subscribers and whoever is watching, please subscribe and motivate me for making some more such videos. So we are going to study together. Let's begin then. Today's topic, it is application of ICT. Who is the founder of artificial intelligence? Charles Babbage, Steve Jobs, John McCarthy, Bill Gates. Answer is John McCarthy. Who is the father of computer? Who is the father of computer? Bill Gates, John McCarthy, Steve Jobs, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage. Right. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is an example of LAN, PAN, WAN or MAN. It is answer PAN. CHEER, CHEER stands for Child Health Education Electronic Recording. Children Enrichment Education through Radio. Children for Engineers on Energy Requirement, or none of these. The answer is Children Enrichment Education through Radio. What is the purpose of ICT use in education? Attract students, make teaching interesting, optimize learning outcomes, promote technology culture in teaching. So the answer is optimize learning outcomes. Next, which of the following term related to the digital learning environment for design? E-Vidwan, E-Acharya, E-Kalpa, E-Yantra. Answer is E-Kalpa. Let's go to the next. Information is raw data, processed data, redundant data, always ordinal data. Answer processed data. Information is processed data. The combination of computing, telecommunication, and media in a digital atmosphere is referred to as online communication, integrated media, digital combine, convergence. It's a combination, so it is convergence. Let's go to the next. Virtual education refers to imparting instructions in a learning environment where the teacher and students are separated by time only, space only, both A and B, or none of the above. So the answer is the teacher and the students are separated by both time as well as space. Acronym for VRML: Virtual Reality Modeling Level, Virtual Reality Modulation Language, Virtual Rate Modeling Language, Virtual Reality Modeling Language. The answer is virtual reality modeling language. NPTEL stands for National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning, National Program on Technology Enabled Learning, National Program on Technology Enhanced Lessons, National Program on Technology Embedded Learning. Answer is National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. At which of the following institutions ERNET or ERNET is used to connect computers? IISs, IITs, National Center for Software Technology. All of the above? Answer is all of the above. Then NMEICT stands for National Mission on Education through ICT, National Mission on E-Governance through ICT, National Mission on E-Commerce through ICT, National Mission on E-Learning through ICT. It is the answer is National Mission on Education through ICT. What is the full form of MOOC or MOOC? Is it massive open online course, major open online class, main open online course, minority open online course? Answer is massive open online course. Who coined the term MOOC and when? Is it Dave Cormier in 2008, Mahatma Gandhi in 1950s, John Cormier in 2010? None of this. Answer is Dave Cormier in 2008. Name the new portal for MOOC which is said to present students with an opportunity to study anything from a list of 2000 courses. So you have to name the portal. Is it UGC, Swayam, e-learning or all of these? The new portal is Swayam. Swayam is acronym for Study Waves of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. Let's go to the next one. Who launched MOOC program in India? Is it AICTE, UGC, MHRD, or both UGC and MHRD? The answer is both UGC and MHRD launched MOOC program in India. PISA is a triennial international survey which aims to evaluate education systems worldwide by testing the skills and knowledge of 15-year-old students. PISA, coordinated by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD), is a 2-hour long test. What is the acronym for PISA? Program for International Student Assessment, Plan for International Student Assessment, Program for Indian School Accreditation. None of these. Answer is Program for International Student Assessment. When first ever International Day of Education was celebrated? Is it on December 3rd, 2018, September 5th, 2019, January 24th, 2019, or none of this? The answer is on January 24th, 2019. Then next is UGC had established Consortium for Academic and Research Ethics. care to prepare a care reference list of quality journals. This consortium would be headed by UGC Vice Chairman or Counselor or AICT Chairman or none of this? So the answer is this consortium would be headed by UGC Vice Chairman. Information and Library Network, INFLIBNet Center, Gandhinagar, is an autonomous inter-university center of University Grant Commission, New Delhi. It is a major national program initiated by the UGC in March 1991 as a project under the IUCAA. It became an independent inter-university center in June 1996. INFLIBNet is involved in modernizing university libraries in India using the state of art technologies for the optimum utilization of information. So now the question comes, who is the current director of INFLIBNet? Is it Professor J.P. Singh Jurel, Dr. H.G. Hosamani, Dr. Kruti J. Trivedi, or none of these? Answer is Professor J.P. Singh Jurel. INFLIBNet Center under aegis of Ministry of Education is providing plagiarism detection software Urkund to universities and institutions. Okay friends, we are at the end of this video. Now I would like to point out, see some terms I have used today might be new for some of you. So please Google it and try to make a note, like a single line about that particular term. Like here you can see Urkund. Okay, it's a plagiarism detection software. So plagiarism we use in case of research papers, like when we do doctorate PhD programs. So in that it is used. Okay, so just try to get some information like single line or two lines information regarding that particular term. Make a note of it. INFLIBNet and care also. So many new terms you will find: PISA, MOOC, SWAYAM, NME, ICT, ARNET, and some more here. See, E-Vidwan, E-Acharya, E-Kalpa. So this collection of terms you can make a note, so it will be easy for you to go through for the revision time. Okay, there is no more time left, so just make single line, double line, two lines, or some more words from by Google it, so it will be useful for you friends. So once again, let me thank all of you who are liking my videos, subscribing my channel, and whoever has not yet subscribed, please do so. It is really motivating me. Keep preparing and keep trying your level best. And don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you so much.